Oopsies. Hey, Jared.
What?
How long do you think it's going to take for the fireworks to go off?
Approximately 1 hour.
Losing all this.
So they actually failed to explain Jared. Oh, we're going to do it right here. We're going to just put it right here also. All right. Anyway, I think they're fine over there.
There's the fireworks.
Guys, what is going on? Do they just spawn in? Where do they come from? It's about, okay.
Oh, there's a dip back there. That's why I fell in.
What are you recording me?
Mm-hmm.
But I'm being tracked by the FBI and you're revealing my location.
Wait, what do you mean?
Classic knee slap, bro.
But you didn't slap your knee.
You too?
They're driving down.
Guess it's gonna start. The actual show is gonna start.
Maybe.
Maybe. Whoa, get the camera! Dude, that actually looks really cool.
Oh my gosh, look at the fireworks.
Woohoo! We have made a major upgrade, everyone. Pew! 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 Another massive upgrade. Whoa, this is a real show now, guys.